Hello, first grade teachers. So I wanted to make you this quick video to just make some clarifications. There's been a few questions that have come up about the screening during the spring window. So when you go into your screening, you will see the fast track options, which will include both early reading and CBM reading. And last time you guys did not do CBM reading. So let me show you, and I'm going to go to early reading here just so you can see this. So these are your composite tests this screening session. So you'll see that there's 3 from early reading: sight words, word segmenting, and nonsense words. But then there is this 4th assessment that is CBM. And that assessment you did not give last time. So you will need to certify in this assessment prior to giving it. I'm going to just show you quickly what this assessment looks like. So basically it is a running record, and grades 2 through 3 gave this assessment during the fall screening window. The next thing that you might be wondering is how to access these texts. These texts are not in the early reading packet that you'll find in the trail guide. Instead, you'll need to go to Training and Resources, click on Downloads, scroll down to where you see CBM Reading. If you are giving the assessment in English, then you will find your screening passages right here by clicking on this PDF under first grade. And if you're giving it in Spanish, same thing, but it will be on the other side. And when I click on this and I go into it, you'll see that there are 3 assessments. So when I'm giving this assessment and I go into CBM, total there are 3 running records in this assessment. After you've completed the first running record, you will click Submit Test, and it will immediately take you on to the next text. Each test will take you 60 seconds, and once you've certified in the assessment, you'll have a better understanding of how this assessment works. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trail guide so that you can visualize this. So if I look at the trail guide here, you can see that right underneath the early reading, it says Subtest Certifications. I'm going to click on that. And then you'll see over here in the spring that you have word segmenting, nonsense words, sight words 150, and CBM reading. The same thing that we just saw, and the CBM is what is new for you. And it's the same if you look here, 2nd and 3rd grade, it's the same assessment that they've been giving during their screening as well. So it's just kind of preparing your first graders for the assessment that they'll be taking in 2nd grade. So hopefully that clarifies a little bit about that 4th assessment and how it's different than the rest of the early reading assessment. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me.